काही आता था पाटे
कितले झाले रे केसेस आता तुम्ही मंगूर 40 35.
Okay, how are you looking at this incident where Vella Kanka she COVID cases find the level?
Vella Kanka is negative. We don't have a situation in Vella Kanka or within that area where houses are very very close by. But there is a situation in Mapsa similar to this, like Mangur Hill, where there are 20-point program houses. The problem is where the houses are, there are common walls, like how Mumbai Dharavi case, cases are the virus is spreading over there. Mangur Hill also is the same situation. Today morning I spoke to Honorable MLA of Vasco. I asked him any help from our side he wants. So it is a matter of concern for Goa where community transmission can happen, already which has happened at Mangur Hill. So it should not happen in Mapsa where there is a basti over there. I am also worried in my constituency at Aradi, Kandolin. So we are going to take all measures now to see that nobody comes from Maharashtra and stays over there. So if anybody is coming, we will have to tell all the people like social workers who are working in these areas, panchayat member, NGOs who are staying in that area to see that nobody should come and stay over there. Even if somebody is negative and has been offered home quarantine, so we will have to make some arrangement to keep them separately, because how the virus is going to react now in the cold, in the temperatures going down in Goa, the rains have started, how it's going to react to these temperatures and the rains. So this is where I had a concern from the beginning, and I used to always speak on this matter. So I would request the Honorable CM, I'm going to meet him now, to look at all these areas, like my area in Kalangut constituency, one area I've got like that, where there are 20-point program houses, which is like a basti. We have in Mapsa, we have in Madam Alina's constituency of Zuari Nagar. Then we have in our honorable leader of opposition, Digambar Kamath constituency. Means all these areas we will have to keep an eye on these areas. We'll have to keep a check. We'll have to tell that councillor. We'll have to tell all those NGOs who are around, or even some social workers who are around, to keep an eye. That and some arrangement should be done that people who are coming from Maharashtra to Goa or from Karnataka or other states should not go and stay over there. This is how that transmission can happen over there. So affected people or people who are coming who are tested negative and staying as quarantine and then going out of the house from the next day or third day without staying inside for 14 days. This is also a matter of concern.
Do you feel, sir, that opening of border was a mistake?
Opening
of borders in all possible ways.
Keep the borders shut. How long? See, a lot of people are saying keep the borders shut. How long are you going to keep it shut? There are people, Goans who are in Mumbai or coming from internationally are coming to Goa. You cannot stop. For how long you are going to do that? 1 year, 2 years? How long? Virus is here to stay till the vaccine comes. So we have to be ready to fight it out. We have to take precautions. We have to do all the things what is required. And I think Honorable CM and Health Minister are doing whatever is required. Secretary Health, both the collectors, everybody is working on it. Doctors are working on it. So we need to take all precautions. So this is the first precaution which I am saying, that we need to keep an eye on all these other areas where 20-point program houses are there, which are touching each other, which is like a basti, which is like shanties around, small houses around, which are touching each other. We have to take a precaution on that, because same thing has happened in Mangur Hill.
Correct. So, you are talking about all this such type of bastis and such type of 20-point program and all. So would the government try to verify now, because there are a number of such
So
areas?
some orders will have to go from CM's office to the deputy collectors of those areas, and they will have to take a meeting along with the chief officer of the municipal council or secretary and the sarpanch, the councillors will have to take a meeting to keep an eye on that area, because those are the main areas where community transmission can happen. To stop that, to avoid any community transmission happening, we have to stop people coming and staying in that basti, more people coming from outside the state.
Does the state has enough health facilities for testing, and although we say we can
I
test so
think as far as the whole of India is concerned, Goa is much better, is safer, and we need to keep it safe. For that, every day periodical meetings are being taken, and I am very thankful to all the administration of the health department, the secretary also of health, and the health minister and the CM who are actually working very hard on this.
same system.
There are two issues. One is this, because we need to take first precautions. If we just keep quiet and allow things to happen, now it has happened in Mangur. It should not happen in other places of Goa. So we should tell the Honorable CM, and CM should immediately inform the collector north and south to take precautionary measures on this, to take steps to stop people coming from Maharashtra or any other state come and stay in that basti. Even if somebody is coming and wanting to stay in that particular area of 20-point program, should be avoided. He can be sent for home quarantine or something like that, but not avoid them coming into those areas where there are houses touching each other.
Was Michael right in asking for a ban on the Maharashtra-Goa border?
See, that was asked in the interest of Goans, because the hotspot is that area. Mumbai. Today, Mumbai is the hotspot of India. So, I had asked a ban for that particular reason. I have nothing personal or nothing against anybody. It's in the interest of the state of Goa.
Sir, Vasco MLA Kalu Salveda, the Potpoto Mutta Vasco should be locked down.
It's not Vasco should be locked down, it's Mangur Hill should be locked down, and necessary measures are being taken. And Mangur Hill is locked down, is under lockdown right now.
Once again, you feel that the state can go in a lockdown again because of this massive transmission?
No, I am going to speak to the Honorable CM about this only. Like now it is Mangur Hill, which is where the houses are touching one another.
Correct.
Now there are many more, which I have just told you.
20-point program.
Margaon, in Zwarinagar,
Goa.
in my area is very small. Chimbel,
Old Goa is
in
there.
Maharashtra, in Mapsa, and other places in Goa. So we need to identify these places, and the collector north and south, along with the deputy
Keep an eye on
collectors,
it.
talatis, and all the other officers should take
Keep an eye.
periodical review, should take meeting with chief officers, secretary, sarpanch, and the people, respective people of that ward, and see that no new person comes in that area from the affected areas outside the state.
स्टेट अनलॉक करपाक सोदताली खुबशे एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करपाक सोदताली आतां
See, already chief minister has given an order that hotels cannot start. I'm talking about hotels and resorts cannot start. So he has seen that now the virus is come and there is community transmission happening. So it's not in the interest of the state and the people of Goa to start hotels, so that more tourists will come into Goa and stay in hotels. So right now it is not the right time, and he will take another review also. If things go little bad, then we will have to take strict measures. Even what CM has spoken about opening malls will have to be shut. Means I'm just
That's all.
saying where people can gather. We'll have to be curtailed.
So you will have to rethink about all these relaxations now.
Not rethink right now.
Because by 8th these are starting.
Precautions have to be taken. Like community transmission should not happen in areas which I have just told you.
Sir,
So measures needs to be taken over there first.
सर 8 तारखेचा mosques, churches, we say
Religious
open,
places.
religious
That is
places.
MHA guidelines, that is Delhi. So now, with community transmission happening in Mungur Hill, I will appeal to our Archbishop. Hopefully today I will call him. And I will also give, he is very intelligent and a very honest person as far as our religious head is concerned. He will take the right decision. I don't think he will allow opening of the churches where there is a community transmission which has already happened in Mungur Hill. So he will still wait.
For the time.
No doubt MHA has given guidelines. He will still wait because he will not want anybody to point out fingers to the church. That church is the reason where people, all of a sudden it has opened now, people will just flock inside to pray. He will not want that reason to be for transmission of virus from one person to the another. I will request him that he needs also to take precautions. No doubt MHA has given clear guidelines to open the churches.
Same with
after
the temples in churches.
Yeah, I will, whatever I can do,
So,
I
but
will speak. I will tell CM also to informally tell. We cannot tell them that you shut it down, but we can informally tell them that precautions needs to be taken.
so, but as far as state also has a powers as far as SOPs, certain changes are
No,
concerned.
if things go bad, state will change as well.
Yeah.
Church, state can directly tell church, temple, mosque, gurdwara not to open. But right now MHA has given guidelines to open.
Correct.
So state will directly not interfere and say shut
But
it.
request.
We can request, like how I told you, I will request the Archbishop to delay the opening of the church in Goa for general public. I'm talking about general public.
Okay.
It is because there is a transmission happening in Mungur Hill. Already there are people who are getting infected. There are other places now, the rains have just started. How the virus is going to react in these temperatures which have dropped in Goa. What we were having very hot weather, humid weather, now it has come down. So how it is going to react? So let us give some more time for reopening of these places because people will just go. See, Sunday Mass people have not heard for last 3 months. People will just go in the church for the Sunday Mass. Even other days also, weekdays, Friday or Saturday. So people are free now. A lot of unemployed youth, boys and girls, people are jobless, so they will go to pray in church. So the best thing is to slightly delay this. And same way I feel that the temple heads should also reconsider looking at what has happened in Vasco. Slightly delay it because we should not be the reason when things are happening here that let us start. People will just rush in. People will not wait. People will say that God will hear us if we go in the temple or church. I strongly believe in that also. But still we need to take more precautions on this.
Sir, my last serious question. Mungur area Vasco आहा न्हू सर, तेका अटॅक लागींच तेका बगले न्हू डिफेन्साचे आपकी नेवी आणि कोस्ट गार्ड आहा क्वार्टर्स आहे. So
They will take necessary precautions.
Navy, the defense.
They will take because it's all over India. They are taking precautions.
Okay.
But just main entrance.
We can't do anything about it because it is governed by the central government. The naval head is there. They will not allow anybody to come inside. They will take precautions. Important is what I have just told you. There are so many areas in Goa, like Mungur Hill, where precautions needs to be taken.
सेकंड इश्यू किती घेऊन होते तुम्ही सेवाकडे
आमचं याचं पोटाचं
फोटो
वयता